Hey everybody, Dave here, one mechanic, and today for Tech Stocking Shop we are doing what we use to organize our tools. So I'm going to show you some of the things I have to organize my tools. Alright, here we go. So on the top of my cart I have these rails. Now these are actually snap-on rails. Well, they're not actually snap-on, they're labeled snap-on, but these are actually mechanics time savers. And I'm going to get two more once the mechanic time savers actually come out in their name brand. So this is just temporary for my shadow sockets. I'm going to have two more of these. I love these because they're magnetic and they're marked, and these actually twist to lock on. I also have this Ernst rail, which is holding my Torx and my magnetic quarters, and I love this because you can unlock this, slide this whole bar out, and take it wherever you need to go. So I really like this system as well. These are my nanos. They're just on a regular rail, at least for now. Sorry about that. These are the Also Tools organizers for 1/4 inch. These are magnetic. I love these things. Again, I like how the sockets are marked on this. My only complaint is I wish this went up to 15, because here's my 15 here, but there's no 15, so I'd store it here where the 5/8 goes. No biggie. This is a tray by Ernst, and these are all my 1/2 inch extensions, 3/8 extensions, and 1/4 extensions and ratchets, depending on what it is. That all goes there. On the sidewall here, I have a mag rail, which I have a couple ratchets. I don't use that often, stuck to that. On first drawer down, my wrench racks are the Hall's wrench racks. I love these things. They are at such an angle that you could put wrenches into a shallower drawer than you realize, because these are so shallow, but yet you see how they overlap. In my Mac toolbox with a regular wrench organizer, I cannot put these in there because these were too tall for a drawer, but this rack lays them back enough that I can. So I got a left side and a right side. This is just a generic socket holder. I'm actually probably going to replace this with the Ernst style. Again, the Hall's wrench racks and the no name one there. These pliers, they are actually, well, I bought them from Snap-on, but I think they're Lyle or somebody else. And then a metal one I got off eBay. I don't remember if it's a name brand or not. And then here I have another Ernst divider. This has all my hammer bits. These are mostly my punches. And then these are my chisels, smaller chisels. There. I also have this glove holder, which is magnetic. This is a Harbor Freight one. And then sometimes, so you got my grease gun there, my pans, my parts bins, whatever you want to call them, magnetic trays, that's on that side. And then on this side, I have this magnetic tray. I keep cans in it. This is a Husky can. This is it's actually a pretty nice can. It's been working out pretty well. Let's go to my big box. Exciting footage, isn't it? So on my top drawer, this rack came from Expert. These sockets come on these racks. So on this side, I'm holding my bigger impacts that I don't use that often here, and these are all my metric on this side. These are my chrome bigger size 1/2 inch. These are all my chrome 1/2 inch here, and this is a Ernst rack. My 3/8, this is an Olsa rack. And then on the other side here, these are both Ernst. Well, actually, this is Olsa. This is one of the first Olsa ones, these green ones. But this is an Ernst rack. And then these are Ernst racks. These are just loose rails for now. I'm probably gonna get another one of those Expert trays and put it in here because I like how sturdy they are. These are just socket rails, nothing fancy about that. Magnetic tray, I just get my stuff on it. I didn't really like what it was supposed to be for, so I just use it for this. It works out pretty good. These are my extra wrenches. Again, you see holes here, holes there, holes here. These are the widgets, wrench widgets, I believe, something like that. These are great for odd wrenches, odd sizes, or if you only have a few of them, because you can make them pretty much at any length you want. I didn't really find them as a space saver like they claim to be. I think that these are a better space saver personally, if you have a full set of wrenches, that is. But for odd wrenches, odd sizes, stuff like that, they work out really well. Again, the widgets for odd stuff, they work out great. These are just original cases for the stubbies. Original Mac case there. And these are the holders for the for these wrenches. These are dynamic, sorry, wrenches, and I'm just trying these wrenches out right now, but they probably won't stay in these holders for too long. Depends on what I'm going to do with them. They might go in the pickup truck when done. They might be my home wrench. I'm not sure yet, but that's just temporary. So that is everything I have on what I use to organize my tools with. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have any questions, leave them below. I check in on this quite a bit. If not, you can go to my page and check and ask me any questions there. Check me out on Instagram, One Mechanic. This is Dave for Text Talk and Shop. Peace out. Ciao.